Hello, dear listeners, and welcome back to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that I'm sure many of us can relate to, food cravings. We've all been there, right? That intense desire for a specific food that seems to take over our thoughts until we give in. But why do we get these cravings? And more importantly, how can we manage them? That's what we're going to explore today. Let's start by understanding what food cravings are. They are an intense desire for a specific type of food, and they are different from normal hunger. You might feel like you could eat anything when you're hungry, but when you're craving, only that specific food will do. Food cravings are influenced by a variety of factors. These include hormonal fluctuations, emotional states, lack of certain nutrients, and even memories associated with certain foods. For example, you might crave chocolate when you're feeling down because it's a comfort food that you associate with feeling better. Now that we understand what food cravings are and what causes them, let's talk about how we can manage them. Firstly, it's important to maintain a balanced diet. This means eating a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions. When your body is getting all the nutrients it needs, you're less likely to experience cravings. Secondly, make sure you're drinking enough water. Sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst for hunger, leading to cravings. So next time you feel a craving coming on, try drinking a glass of water and waiting a few minutes to see if the craving subsides. Thirdly, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can mess with your hunger hormones, leading to increased appetite and cravings. So make sure you're getting your 7-9 hours of sleep every 9 hours of sleep every night. Now let's talk about some strategies for overcoming food cravings when they do strike. One effective strategy is to distract yourself. When a craving hits, do something that requires your full attention. This could be anything from reading a book, going for a walk, or even doing a puzzle. The idea is to shift your focus away from the craving. Another strategy is to practice mindful eating. This involves paying full attention to what you're eating and savoring each bite. It can help you enjoy your food more and feel more satisfied, which can in turn reduce cravings. If you're craving a specific unhealthy food, try finding a healthier alternative. For example, if you're craving something sweet, try eating a piece of fruit instead of reaching for a candy bar. And finally, don't beat yourself up if you give in to a craving. It's perfectly normal to have cravings and to occasionally indulge them. The key is moderation. If you're generally eating a balanced diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, the occasional indulgence won't derail your efforts. Remember, managing food cravings is not about depriving yourself. It's about understanding why you're having these cravings and finding healthy ways to satisfy them. That's all for today's episode, folks. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Just get back on track and keep going. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, stay healthy and happy.